10 natural remedies to stop heart palpitations. Have you ever felt your heart suddenly racing, fluttering, or skipping beats? That moment of panic, wondering if something is wrong? You're not alone. Heart palpitations are a common experience, and the good news is there are natural ways to bring your heartbeat back to a steady rhythm. 1. Magnesium citrate. A deficiency in magnesium is one of the most common causes of palpitations. Taking a daily magnesium citrate supplement helps maintain a steady heartbeat and ensures proper blood flow to the heart muscle. 2. Ox bile supplement. If your palpitations occur after eating fatty foods, purified bile salts can improve digestion and reduce pressure in the bile ducts, preventing irregular heartbeats. 3. Potassium-rich salads. Leafy greens provide potassium, magnesium, and calcium, 3 essential electrolytes that regulate your heartbeat and prevent palpitations. 4. Cut out caffeine. Caffeine, found in coffee, tea, soda, and some medications, can overstimulate your adrenal glands, increasing stress and heart rate. Removing it from your diet can help stabilize your heartbeat. 5. Apple cider vinegar. A tablespoon mixed in water before meals helps balance stomach pH, improving mineral absorption and supporting a healthy heartbeat. 6. Electrolyte powder. High-quality electrolyte powders with calcium, sodium, potassium, and magnesium can replenish mineral levels and keep your heart rhythm steady. 7. Avoid MSG, found in fast foods, spice mixes, and broths. Monosodium glutamate, MSG, can elevate blood pressure and disrupt electrolyte balance, leading to palpitations. 8. Consume shellfish. Eating shellfish at least 3 times a week provides B vitamins and minerals that calm the nervous system and promote a steady heartbeat. 9. Eliminate refined foods. Processed foods like cereal, bread, and pasta deplete magnesium levels. Switching to whole foods like fruits and vegetables restores mineral balance. 10. Boost vitamin B12. A B12 deficiency can trigger palpitations. Foods like mussels, beef liver, and salmon help produce red blood cells, which fuel your heart. Heart palpitations are often a sign that your body is missing essential nutrients or reacting to certain foods. By making mindful dietary changes and incorporating these remedies, you can take control of your heart health naturally. Pay attention to what you eat and how your body responds. If you notice a pattern, you can pinpoint the cause and take action. Also, if you consume excessive alcohol or follow a highly alkaline vegan or vegetarian diet, your body may struggle to transport essential minerals. Adding apple cider vinegar and fermented foods like kimchi and kombucha can help rebalance your system. Your heart is the rhythm of your life. Keep it strong and steady with these natural remedies. Let me know in the comments which remedy works best for you.